you doing? You can't just go up there. Hey, baby, are you stuck? Baby.
Patrick Easton playtime.
All right, buddy, what are we doing today?
Doing these.
What are they?
These are apples.
Yeah, we're doing farm animals. Easton, what are we doing today, buddy? We're doing farm animals?
These are baby sheep and
Let me see.
baby sheep and daddy sheep.
Oh, Easton, what did you get, buddy?
Gun.
Oh, that's a llama. Oh, no, that's a doggy. And there's a cow.
Fox.
What's in here, buddy?
There's a fox.
There's a llama. What's in the barn?
Oops.
What's in the barn? Oh, there's a lamb and a cow and a horse and a doggy and a llama.
And
That's cool.
I can show you Duffet.
What a cool barn. What is that?
Bear.
Oh, that's a grizzly bear?
An elephant.
Oh, these are zoo animals too?
It's apple juice.
What noise does an elephant make? Woo! Yep, good job. Oh, look what's over here. There's a ladder, and up top is a birdie, and a bunny, and a chick.
And then there's a bed.
Oh, and look, there's piggies below.
Look at that.
There's pigs below, buddy. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
And out front you have a raccoon, and a bunny rabbit. Oh, and a bear. That's scary. And here's a fox. Oh no, there's a fox out front of the barn. Here's two bunnies. There's a brown bunny and there's a yellow bunny in front of the barn. Oh, buddy, what is that? Oh, that's a polar bear? What noise do polar bears make? Can you put the doggy on it?
Doggy.
Oh, and then the doggy goes all the way up. That's cool.
And she go way up a form.
Okay, go up, up, up.
She go way up a
Oh, the doggy fell off. No. Hey, doggy.
Doggy.
What is that? A crocodile? Cool. What noise does a crocodile make? Oh, you got a doggy, Easton?
She opened mouth and she wanted to make a truck. And
Oh, that's a spooky crocodile.
she tried to eat his truck.
Oh, really? Oh! Don't attack Daddy. What do dolphins do? Oh, he jumps in the water?
Yeah. She's making laughing. Look.
Oh, he laughs.
Yeah.
What else do you have, buddy?
Wolf.
Ooh, what noise does a wolf make?
She said, "Ow."
Oh! Easton, can you do it? Oh!
And the dolphin said,
Good job. Oh.
She's making laughing. Look.
Oh, the dolphin makes that funny noise? Cool.
And the eagle.
Oh, an eagle.
And she tried flying his sister. Yeah.
Oh, he's going to find the other birdies?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, there's the other birdies. There's a rooster and some chicks and a yellow bird. And a yellow bird in the barn. And some piggies.
And then some eagles.
Yep, and an eagle. Good job. Let me see the turtle. Oh, wow.
She's so cute.
Oh, yeah. She is so cute. Oh, Easton wants to see it.
A turtle.
Yep, a turtle. Good job.
There's a crocodile.
Oh, another crocodile. Oh, no.
He said try to find his daddy.
Oh, his daddy's over there. His daddy's right there.
Yeah.
He's going over by him. Hi, Daddy. Oh, look at what Easton got. Easton got a black bear. Oh, and an eagle.
There's a giraffe.
Yep.
So cute.
Oh, the giraffes are so cute.
And tiger the bad guy.
What noise does a tiger make? Roar.
She tried a cow.
Oh, and Easton's got a turtle. Oh no, where are you going? Ah, there's a tiger on me!
There's a tiger on you.
You got a wolf?
Oh.
Hey, don't attack me, baby! What else you got, buddy? Oh, that's a hippo? Oh, he's got a big mouth. Gator and hippo fight.
You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy.
Hi, Easton, what do you have?
You're a bad boy.
Easton got a rhino and a bull. Don't attack the camera guy. Hey, leave me alone, rhino and bull. Hey, leave me alone, baby. Oh, that's a mommy and daddy lion?
Wow.
What noise do they make?
DJ, wow.
Easton, get off the barn. Easton, what are you doing, man? Are you a giant crushing the barn? Don't crush the barn, buddy. That barn's got animals in it.
He's like a monkey.
Yeah, he's like a giant man. Hey, giant, you can't just stand on the barn. You're gonna crush it. You guys are giant for that barn. What is that called?
Stingray.
Can I see? Oh, that's cool.
Stingray.
Cool. Oh, you got a bear? Hey, is the horse in the barn?
Let's put wobble right here.
And you can close the door. And you can shut this. Oh, everyone's out. Oh, the door's shut. And here's the window. Look, there's a raccoon looking out the window. Hey, guys. And then we can shut this. Oh, bye-bye, raccoon. Oh, is he stuck up there?
I saved you.
Oh, phew, lucky you got a ladder. Lucky you got a ladder, huh, buddy?
Come on. Come on down.
Did he make it?
Yeah.
Phew, I was worried for that llama. Where are you, cow? Do you know where the cow is? Knock, knock, cow.
Knock, knock.
Where's the cow?
Knock, knock.
Hi, cow, there's the cow. What animals shouldn't be in the barn? We have a horsey, a sheep, a cow, and a gorilla. Which animal isn't a barn animal? Is it a horsey or a sheep or a cow or a gorilla?
Horsey.
Oh no, the horsey's supposed to be in the barn. Which one's not supposed to be in the barn?
Gorilla.
Yeah, the gorilla. Good job, buddy. The gorillas aren't supposed to be in barns. They're in the jungle. There's a lion. There's an elephant. There's a wolf, and there's a bear. What animal out of these four goes? Roar? Yeah, the lion. Good job. All right. Here's a couple bears. You got a polar bear. And then a couple bears that live in North America, the black bear and the grizzly bear. And then a few more North American animals, and the wolf and the bald eagle and the fox and a couple birdies. And then a couple farm animals and the bunny and the little piggies and the horse. Oh no, the cow fell over. And a cow and a sheep and a rooster and a raccoon and a doggy, and a sea turtle, and a dolphin, and a stingray, and an octopus, and a killer whale, and an alligator, and a crocodile, and a hippo.
A bull fell down.
Oh no, the bull fell down?
Yeah.
And a hippo, and a penguin,
The penguin.
and an elephant,
The elephant.
and a rhinoceros, and a tiger, and a lion, daddy lion, and a mommy lion. Oh, and a tall giraffe, and a gorilla, and a bull. That's all Patrick's animals. He's got a lot of them. Holy moly.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.